Alright, thanks for clicking on the video today. It's been a couple of weeks. I got sick there for a week and was pretty bad off in the bed. And then the very next week, a little thing called Hurricane Idalia had came to Florida and sort of postponed this video for the second weeks. But here we are. Today is the 6th sack. This is the new sack from 6 cents, or subscription-based tackle. And I know that there's a couple, there's one thing in here that it's not even on the market yet, so that's something cool with these bags, these sacks. Sometimes it's exclusive colors, sometimes you get a bait that hasn't hit the market yet. This sack, it just so happens to be a couple of little prototype baits that they've been working on, and we get them in the sack this month. So super stoked to get those in the water here pretty soon. But let's show you what's in the sack. First thing I pick up is the Crush Mini 25X, and this is in the boiled crawfish. Take it out of the package. I mean, fall is not far from now. I mean, up north I guess it's cool enough. Down here in Florida has not let up a bit. So this color right here is a little premature for us. But I mean, the weather changes for everywhere. The next thing I pick up is the Access Metal 2.0, and this one is in black and blue Craw. Going with the Craw colors this month in the sack. Got the black and blue Craw, and then you got the broiled Craw. This is a little different take on the square bill. Colors are super awesome on these baits. The transitions and to the other colors, super sharp hooks. But the Access has got this metal accenting bill, so that puts it apart from most other square bills. Super cool little bait, little different spin on a square bill. Material wise and component, the action of the component, the component being the bill. But let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This bait I'm sort of pumped about. This is the 6 cent speed wake. It's a wake bait. This one is a jointed wake bait, and this is in bone Reactor. Super cool color. But you see that bill being straight, flat, just about prevents it from diving. Big old wake on the surface. Just a little different way of a topwater bait. Colors are super cool though. The little red on the gills right here. Super cool bait though, a little jointed wake bait. Throw it out to them schooling fish even. They're busting up, blowing up. Then the next bait I pick up is the Crush 100X. And this is in, what is this? The Black Magic. So it's a similar color to the black and blue Craw, just a little different. This particular bait is a flat color instead of that high gloss that the black and blue Craw is. And when I first pulled it out of the box, I just noticed that this has got the circuit board bill on this one. Like I said, the materials that 6th Sense starting to use, you know, not the traditional ones, but there's a lot of other companies doing the same type of thing with their baits too, so it's not something that nobody else is doing. The chartreuse in orange on the belly, super cool. The quality of these baits are you know, superb. They're worth their money. And the last bait here, I've seen some videos. I've already caught like a 13-pounder on this bait, so it definitely will catch some big fish. And it's the Panorama by 6th Sense. It hasn't been released yet. This is the Pro Blue version of it. There's a 6.5-inch bait in there, and then a 5-inch bait in there. So one of each. Super realistic looking. The colors on these baits are crazy. You see that it's translucent through here for the most part, clear, and then it's like a translucent white on top, but then it's got this like silvery piece right here. It's just the detail and the colors and the molding of these baits. The eyes are super realistic, almost looks like a dead fish. That was the 5-inch one, and then this is a 6.5-inch one. Same color, Pro Blue. But they had sent some Scout wide gap hooks, 5/0 for the baits, I'm supposing, because can't use these hooks for any of the other baits. I've seen some other ways of rigging this, like Carolina rigging it, or almost like how you would live bait, you know, with a circle hook and through the back or through the nose. And what was it? There was one other way I think I seen somebody do it. Shaky head. They used the shaky head and was presenting the bait that way. Thought that was super cool. But that's it for this sack. Got some other videos in the work. Super excited that the channel's starting to grow a little bit now. Started posting some shorts, so super happy that it's moving upwards now, and just continue to get some more subscribers and some more likes and comments, and I really appreciate everything. Until next time.